Today we are going to see the significance of photoperiodism. Before going to say significance, we know the plant require duration of the length, that is the light period, that is photo means photos means light, and periodic means period, relative light period required for the flowering mechanism. Means this plant shows flowering due to the particular relative length period, that is a photoperiodic induction for the flowering. Shorter plants require short relative light period and more dark period, then the photoperiodic induction takes place, flowering takes place. As like longer day plants requires photo period, that is more than the critical period, that is more than the 12 hours, and light period is more and dark period is lesser. And day neutral plants does not require any critical light or critical dark period, then the flowering takes place. Here we are going to see the significance. If we know the particular, that is appropriate the length of light and dark which the plants can produce, such plants can be cultivated in the horticulture, that is the polyhouse or greenhouse plants. Means that is we should know the appropriate conditions of the light, then these plants can be grown in these plants. Commercial importance of growing the plants in horticulture means the advantage can be taken by means of the night break. Night break means during the light period, photoperiodic induction is breakdown, that is a flash of light is given in the darker period. Such flash which is given within a second, such a break is known as a night break. And if you know the flash of light break is given, the horticulture methods, that is the flowering plants, it is a commercial method which are growing in the polyhouse or greenhouse, they can take also advantage. Means those plants which does not produce the flowers under critical conditions in the short day plants or long day plants, and if we given far red phytochrome night break, then the plant shows the flower. Also, if we know the both photoperiod light conditions, that is a light response of light to the flowering plants, and temperature also important factor which influences the flowering method. Means response of light and temperature in these plants, if we know the appropriate conditions, then at any time of the any season, the horticulturalist, they can take advantage of the flowering mechanism by maintaining the light and temperature conditions in polyhouse or greenhouse, and they take an advantage of the flowering plant. First and waste, that is the in a sugar cane and a lettuce plant. Here flowering takes place, and due to this flowering, as considered with sugar cane, due to flowering, it reduces the sugar cane percentage. Means if the sugar cane plants, it flowers, and due to the flowers, it reduces the sugar percentage, and therefore loss of hormone takes place. If we know the phenomenon of the light and the temperature methods, the flowering can be reduces, means by taking the night break, and flowering can be taken, that is by using the phytochromes. Phytochromes, it is a PR, phytochrome red pigment and phytochrome far red pigments. Night break takes place. That time it reduces the flowers and it grows only vegetatively, and vegetative growth takes place, then the sugar percentage is increased, or it maintains the sugar percentage. Here we have seen the significance of the photoperiodism. Garner and Allard 1920 classified on the basis of a single characters, that is light is one of the during a critical length period. Photo, it classified the plants into the three groups, that is the short day plants. Short day plants require shorter light period than the darker period. Long day plants, longer dark period, that is more than 12 hours. And day neutral plants, these plants does not require any light and effect and dark effects. And important examples of the short day plants, long day plants, day neutral plants. How the photoperiodism takes place? It's steps, that is the stimulus, photoperiod induction, phytochromium roles in flowering, and different theories that is put forth, that is a fuse the florism hormone which is produced during the hormones under the point photoperiodism.